Töluorð, numbers. Samtal 1. Í búðinni. Afsakið, hvað kostar þetta skyr? Það kostar 195 krónur stykkið. En verðið 130 krónur. Nú, fyrirgefðu. Ég ætla að laga þetta. Hvað opið lengi hjá ykkur í dag? Það opið frá klukkan 9 morguninn til 5 kvöldið. Takk kærlega. Hlustið og endurtakið. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Hlustið og endurtakið. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 Hlustið og endurtakið. 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 1000 The words 40, 80 and 90 are often shortened in speech to 40, 80, 90. 100 and 1000 are marked as neuter nouns. The plural of 100 is 100, but for 1000 there's no change. Hlustið og endurtakið. 21 25 136 371 1050 14.365 Note how og always goes before the final digit. 21 836 14.365 Also, 100 changes to 100, its plural form, when talking about multiple hundreds. For example, 371 is 378. The numbers 1 to 4 are a little special in Icelandic as they decline for gender and case. Numbers over 5 don't, but the caveat is that in any compound numbers over 20, e.g. 21, 28, 32, 32, 43, 43, the final digit is also declined. 11, 12, 13 and 14 don't decline. Here you can see the different forms for each number. If you look at the number 1, the pattern will be somewhat recognisable from adjective declension. 2 to 4, however, are all highly irregular. 8, ein, eina, eitt. 2, tvo, tvær, tvö. 3, þrjá, þrjár, þrjú. 4, fjóra, fjórar, fjögur. If you can't remember how to decline the number, simply ask for 5 or more of whatever it is that you want. One tip as well is when you're counting things, you always count in the masculine. So you'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Upphæðir. So here we're talking about amounts, upphæðir. The Icelandic currency is the króna. The plural is krónur. What gender is the word króna? 350 krónur. 962 krónur. 1990 krónur. 14.010 krónur. We can tell the gender of króna if we look at the second amount. The feminine form tvær is used. None of the other numbers change to agree with krónur, just the final digit, so 962. Also note that before 100 or 1000 the neuter form of the number is used, so we have 300, through is neuter, and 8000, 8 is the neuter form. Hvað kostar þetta? Say out loud what these items cost. For example, jakkinn kostar 4.400 krónur. Klukkan. Hvað klukkan means what's the time, literally what's the clock. Telling the time in Icelandic is straightforward now we know the numbers. We can just answer this question by saying hún níu, til dæmis, or klukkan níu. One quirk is that although klukkan is feminine, the hour is given in the neuter, so klukkan 1 and klukkan 3:30. Icelandic follows the convention in most European languages where hálf means half an hour until the next hour. So 15:30 is 3:30 and not 3:30. To talk about more precise times, we can use the prepositions yfir, literally over, equivalent to English past, and equivalent to 2. Korter means quarter of an hour. If we're being any more specific than that, then we say the number followed by mínútur. Unlike in English, the word mínútur cannot be omitted. 10:15, or 10:15, korter yfir 10. 11:20 or 20 past 11, 20 mínútur yfir 11. 1:45, korter í 2. 5 to 5, 5 mínútur í 5.